What's going on, guys? This is Sidney Cumbie once again with yet another makeup video. So this makeup is going to be another mutant makeup because I love doing mutant makeups, and well, RBFX asked me to do this makeup and I did it on my friend Gordon Tarpley. Of course, Gordon is my model for most of my makeups. Make sure you guys check out Gordon Tarpley. He's pretty awesome. That said, I'll just give a shout out to all the people that helped me out with this makeup, which is RBFX for #1 for providing the awesome prosthetic. It's pretty wild and weird, and I love the prosthetic. It was pretty awesome. Also had some blenders in it that I sort of jazzed it up with. And that said, I also used Mel products, Pax paint, because Mel's makes a pretty good Pax. I used European Body Art airbrush colors. I used Delium Tools brushes, of course, because Delium Tools makes the best effects brushes you can get out there. And I also used 9mm SFX lenses, so the contact lenses are from 9mm because 9mm makes some really great lenses. That said, I think that's about it. And the mouth stain. So in some of the videos, you see some like drippy, nasty ooze coming out of the mouth. I used mouth effects from PPI by Dan Gilbert. He makes the mouth effects. I use that, it's a mouth coloring. It's really cool. Sort of dripped it out of the mouth, made it all nasty. I actually mixed it with a little bit of KY lubricant and put it on his neck because it just it adds a nasty slimy look without having to drool it all out. You can actually just put a little bit of KY and drip it on the neck. It was a really cool little trick. That's it. Enjoy this video. I know it was a lot of fun for me, and I will catch you guys later. Bye!
Hey guys, thanks for watching.
Yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel, comment, like, do what you do. We're gonna go get this makeup off, so thanks guys, it was a lot of fun. Bye!
Bye!